Hey guys, today I am checking out the Porter Cable 18 gauge brad nailer, battery powered. Before we get started, if you like the videos, if you want to see any more videos like this, hit that like, hit that subscribe down below. I always do reviews of tools that I'm using, that I've used, and right now I'm using this upstairs in my closet. I'm building a little compartment in there and it's not quite finished, so I figured I would do a quick video to show you guys the Porter Cable 18 gauge cordless brad nailer. So let's go ahead and get started and let's get into the specs. So like I said, it is 100% battery powered, so no compressor, no hose, no gas cartridges, anything like that. It weighs approximately 5.9 pounds, so it's not too heavy. It feels pretty centered right here where you hold it. We have done, you know, bigger trim jobs, and it's a nail gun. It's a little bit heavier than one that doesn't have the battery, than the ones that, you know, you hook up your compressor line. So it is, you know, I guess it needs that extra kick, but you don't have that cord hanging behind you. You don't have to be pulling that, moving the compressor and stuff like that. So it is about 14 inches tall, 13.88 to be exact, and about 12 inches wide. Or no, it is about a foot tall, 12 inches, and then about 13 inches wide. Yeah, so battery goes down here, battery pack, and it is a 20 volt lithium battery. Right now on Amazon, these are running for $199 with the battery, so it's a little bit more expensive. You know, if this is something that you're actually going to use quite a bit, which I do, you make a lot of different things with this. Use this for a lot of smaller projects. I use this when I made my three-way mirror. If you haven't seen that video, I have a link up above. And like I said, I'm using it right now in my closet, so this one does get used quite a bit. It is a little bit on the more expensive side. And it is a 20 volt, like I said, 20 volt lithium battery. It's 18 gauge. This is where your nails go, and you can use anything from 1 inch to 2.5 inch. Here I have some 2.5 inch nails, and here I have some 1.5, I believe. So you can use different lengths from 1 inch all the way to 2.5 inch. And it has a capacity of 100 nails. You just slide that in there, and you slide the clip thing back up, and that's it. So this is Old Faithful here. Had this about 4 years, I think, and we use it. I use it for all types of trim, cabinetry, crown molding. So it's great for any of that stuff, and as you can see, gets used quite a bit. Break yourself. Just kidding. It does get used quite a bit, and it's still hanging on in there. So carry this everywhere. Quick and easy to use. It is battery operated, which you get rid of the compressor, having to carry a compressor, having to carry hoses around. It doesn't use anything but the battery, so you don't need any special gas cartridges or anything like that. It's just completely battery powered. This thing is great. And once you are ready to nail, you press down. Little LEDs come on, which they don't come on until you press down. I'm going to show you guys. So there's the LEDs, they're on. And it has two, one on each side, so you can see but they come on as soon as you press that down. Alright, if you just squish the trigger, it's not going to fire anything. It will not fire until you press down and then you fire. So we're gonna do a couple little test runs here. It's not too loud. It doesn't have a big kickback or anything like that. I don't know if you guys can see that. Let me adjust. And it is a brushless motor, so that's a positive. Definitely keeps the noise low, and it'll last. It does have a 3-year limited warranty from the manufacturer, so that's also a plus. Like I said, this has been going forever. Old faithful here. This is the battery. So it's not too loud. Like I said, it doesn't kick back. The light turns on when you hit. Takes a little bit to load up and then it shoots. See? So right here, it has your depth adjustment. And right here's your gauge, which is telling you if you're going deeper or if you're letting it stick out more. So more shallow or deep, you can tell right here. You turn this and it just will either make the nail go in deeper or leave it more shallow. If your nail gun does get jammed for some reason, just go right up here and it releases anything that's stuck in there. I mean, it's gotten stuck a couple of times, maybe the whole time that I've had it, and I mean, it doesn't get stuck very regularly. Battery life is great. You'll charge this thing, it'll go for a long time. Use it for a day without having to charge, from my experience, you know. But and the battery charges fast. This is the battery charger that I have, which tells you, you know, if it's charging, if it's not charging, whatever. But yeah, like I said, this is just a quick review, guys. This is a great brad nailer. If it's something that you're going to be using a lot, something that you are needing, this is a great option. You don't want to carry that compressor around. You don't want to have all that hose in your car or in your garage or whatever. You just want something cordless. This is a great option. It's heavy duty. It's been through, you know, not just me, but some of the guys use it sometimes. Multiple big projects, numerous smaller projects, and like I said, it still works great. So, if you are in the market for a brad nailer, this is definitely a good one. Check it out. Like always, thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for checking out the channel. Next week I'll have that closet compartment that I've been working on, and I'll post that next week. Sorry for the short video this week, just wanted to get something out for you guys. Forgot to say, it does have the trigger lock down here, so that is something I forgot to point out. But like I said, thank you guys for checking out the channel, and keep an eye out for that next video next week. See you guys.